I am going to demonstrate a fan in random. I hope I get the one I might want.
Relay.
Relay. Which one's the relay?
Flat bottom.
This is going to be very interesting. This is
Which one? Where's the relay here? I'm about to demonstrate the relay.
I like this.
Hey, Dan, where's the relay? Yeah, the Fanimation, I mean, sorry, not Fanimation. What brand is it? Relay.
Who has it? I don't know.
Because it says the remote is relay.
Why don't you turn it on or off and see if you can figure it out?
Oh, I always forgot we're not allowed to leave those in behind us.
Industrial's spinning faster now. Somebody's got that remote.
Okay, which one is it? Nothing's happening. Is it this one? Oh my goodness. I can't find which one I'm operating.
Look on the back.
It says relay. I'm trying to...
Relay? I don't know. Relay might be so...
I forget which one's the relay now. Do you remember which one's the relay?
I like
It's that large industrial like that flat bottom.
What's VEC mean?
The large industrial? Which you mean? Oh, is it Airmaster?
I'm going to turn on the M48.
I turned up the Airmaster. I got the relay. It's an industrial. I love industrial fans. High. Medium.
Hey, who's controlling the relay?
I'm controlling it.
Can I try it once?
After I put it to low. I am starting to get sweaty. I might need to take my jacket off.
Okay, when you're done playing with whatever remote you grab, turn that fan off so that people can get pictures. Because I know a lot of people want to have the fan stopped for pictures.
Okay. All right. Hey, Reese. Do you want to try that out now?
Yeah. Alright, time to test out the industrial.
All right.
Time for high speed.
It's getting you. I guess I'll keep going.
You know the flight of the
Where's the you already had your
Whoa!
Okay, what speed are you gonna put it on next?
Top line. Look how close it is to the other one.
Yeah.
You got a favorite here yet, Mark?
You did!
Oh, geez,
Look
we're
at
going
me
back and
controlling
forth from
this
the
thing.
Dayton Sanyo to the Splendors.
Okay. Are you gonna set on the next speed? I'm still recording here. All right. Gotta make sure I have enough room for a lot of stuff on here.
What's that?
Right.
There's a few things in here I would not buy for myself right now.
I can't find it.
I really
Hey, I'm. Yeah. Patrick's Arena had similar fans like these. Do you know Patrick? Who's this guy? Patrick Neese. His family owned an arena, an Iceplex, Center Ice Arena. They had. Yeah, they were Airmaster Mark II, I believe.
What the Mark 1s? The Mark 1s do?
Yeah, well, except one of the Airmasters, he replaced it with a Banville Enviro fan, agricultural fan, because that Airmaster broke. But, anyways, I'm gonna stop the video now.
That's a really slow low.
Yeah.
That fan.
So that was a good demonstration. That's probably all the videos for up here now. Thank you for watching.